Hey friends, welcome to an addition lesson with fast learners. Today we will be learning how to add numbers mentally within few seconds. And I would like to give you a simple addition chart for that. Let's have a look at it. You need to go through this addition table and memorize it. Learn it in a way that you can reply to this kind of sums in the blink of an eye without thinking anything. Let's have a look at it. See, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. You have to remember this in a way that you don't have to think anymore for this kind of additions. These are simple one digit numbers and you just have to add 1 or 2 or 3 into it. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Same way here, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Same way, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 6. And then if you'll have a look at this, same thing I have written for 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, 7 plus 3, 10, 7 plus 4, 11, 7 plus 5, 12, 7 plus 6, 13, 7 plus 7, 14. And for 8 and 9, we have to do same thing. In 8 also we will be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 8. And in 9 we will be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. And then we will just try to remember that what is the answer for this kind of addition. What if you add 5 into 9? What if you will add 9 and 6? So these numbers you have to remember if you want to add faster or if you want to even multiply faster, because when you multiply some numbers you need to do some addition work as well. So now let's see how to add these numbers. Now here I'm showing you this table one more time. So if you have not written, you can even copy this table into your notebook. Okay, you can pause the video right now and you can copy this table. So let's try to add these numbers. This method is also known as a place value method. Why? Because I'm going to explain you how to add just one digit according to their place value. You know that this is 33 plus 22. You know this digit 2 is a unit digit. Here this 3 is the unit digit and this is the tens place. This is the tens place here. If we take 3 digit numbers, then you know that this is unit digit, this is tens and this is hundreds. If there is a 4 digit number, I have not taken any. Yes, I have taken one. So see here, this is unit digit, this is tens, hundreds and thousands. So you need to remember the place value here. Now see, if you have to add 33 plus 22, think that here it is 30 and here it is 20. 30 plus 20 is 50 and 50 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. So 50 plus 5 will be 55. You just try to do it mentally and please do not write down all the answers. Let's see one more example. 47 plus 54. Now if you'll have a look here in this 47, 40 is there and here 50 is there. So 40 plus 50 if you'll add, you know that 4 plus 5 is 9. So 40 plus 50 will be 90. And if you'll do 7 plus 4, that is 11. Now you have to add 11 into 90. When you'll add 11, 90 and 11, you will get the answer 101. And this is extremely easy. Try not to write the answer but calculate mentally. When the number grows bigger, then you can write here. Then you can write and calculate, but try to do it mentally without writing. Now see here, 73, 59 and 24. Here in 73, you know 70 is there. Here 50 is there. So if you'll add 70 and 50, you know 7 plus 5 is 12. So 70 plus 50 will be 120. 120 plus 20 is 140. Now this 140, you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, if you think that you will be forgetting it, then you can write it down. Then here 3 plus 9. You know 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12 plus 4 will be 16. Now in 140 you need to add 16. Okay, you know that 140 plus 10 will be 150 and 150 plus 6 will be 156. Isn't it so easy? Let's try to add two more numbers. Here 358 plus 467. So you know here this number has 300 and this number has 400. You know that 300 plus 400 will make 700. Now 700 you have to remember. Here 50 plus 60. 50 plus 60, if you add in your mind, 50 plus 50 is 100 plus 10. That will be 110. So 700 plus 110 will make 700 plus 100, 800, 810. Now 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So add 15 in 810. So 820 and 15 5. So it will be 825. The total will be 825. So just try the same way. This 3. 452, 568, 239. See here it is 400 plus 500. So 900 plus 200, 1100. Okay. You can write, if you think that you will forget, then you can write down, but no need to write. Just try to remember that this total is 1100 or 1100. Now check this. This is 50, 60. 50 and 60 is 110 plus 30. 110 plus 30 is 140. Now see, this total was 1100. You add 140 in 1100. So when you will add 140 in 1100, it will be 1100 plus 100 will be 1200. 1240. It will be 1240. Okay, 1240. Now let's add this 2, 8 and 9. 2 plus 8 will be 10. 10 plus 9 will be 19. Now in 1240 you have to add 10 more, which will make 1250. And you have to add 9 more. So 1000. So it will make 1259. Okay. So just check this question and this is the answer. But here you need to try and write it, add it mentally. Do not write it down. See, this question, 89 plus 252 plus 360 plus 594. Sorry, 5094. Now see here, this one has 5000 in it, this has 300 in it, this has 200 in it. Okay, and this is a 2-digit number. How will we add this whole thing? What we'll do here, we will remember this 5000. Here there is 5000. And you see 300 plus 200 will be 500. So 5500 is a bigger number. Okay. One number is 5500. This you have to remember in your mind. Now let us count 80 here. 80 plus 50 will be 130. 130 plus 60. It will make 190. And 190 plus 90. 190 plus 90 will make, actually if you'll add 110, so 200, it will make 280. Okay, so you have to remember in 5500, let's write it down that in 5500 you have to add 280. So this will make 5780. Now let's take the last digit. 9 plus 2 is 11 and 11 plus 4 will be 15. So you need to add this also. So here the answer will be 5795. Okay. Try to calculate most of the numbers or try to add most of the numbers mentally without writing the numbers. I hope that you understood and you like this method, children. Thank you.